In a tranquil village nestled between lush mountains and a serene river lived a man named Aito. Aito was known throughout the village for his simplicity, humility, and his uncanny ability to make people ponder the deeper truths of life. His wise and cryptic utterances often left villagers both intrigued and contemplative. One day, a curious traveler named Hiro arrived in the village. Drawn by the tales of Aito's wisdom, Hiro sought him out, hoping to unravel the secrets of a fulfilling life. Upon meeting Aito, Hiro bowed respectfully and asked, "Wise Aito, what do the people of this village think of you?" Aito smiled knowingly and gestured toward the riverbank. "Let us walk by the river," he replied. They strolled together along the water's edge, the gentle rustle of leaves and the soothing flow of the river accompanying their conversation. "Aito," Hiro persisted, "I am genuinely curious. Your wisdom has touched the lives of so many. What do they truly think of you?" Aito paused and picked up a small pebble from the riverbank. He held it up for Hiro to see, and then with a serene grace, he tossed the pebble into the river. Ripples spread out from the point where the pebble had entered the water, forming a pattern of concentric circles that expanded wider and wider. Hiro watched the ripples intently, waiting for an answer. Yet, Aito remained silent. Finally, Hiro couldn't contain his curiosity any longer. "Aito, what does the pebble's journey in the river have to do with my question?" Aito turned to Hiro and spoke softly. "The pebble's ripples are like the thoughts and opinions of others about me. Just as the pebble creates ripples that eventually merge with the river's flow, the thoughts people hold about me become part of the collective consciousness of the village." Hiro frowned, still puzzled. "But Aito, I still don't understand. What do they think of you?" Aito's eyes twinkled with wisdom. "Hiro, each person perceives me through their own lens, colored by their experiences, beliefs, and emotions. Some see me as a fountain of insight, while others may find my words cryptic and confusing. Some might admire my humility, while others may view me with skepticism. Just as the pebble's ripples take on various forms as they mingle with the river's currents, the thoughts people have about me are shaped by their own perceptions." Hiro absorbed Aito's words, the realization dawning upon him. "So it doesn't matter what others think of you. It's their perception that shapes their reality." Aito nodded gently. "Exactly, Hiro. Just as I cannot control the patterns the river creates with the pebble's ripples, I cannot control how others perceive me. What truly matters is the authenticity of my actions, the sincerity of my intentions, and the peace I find within myself." Hiro gazed at the river, lost in thought. Aito's teachings resonated deeply, and he understood that seeking approval or validation from others was a futile endeavor. Instead, he grasped the significance of embracing his own journey, allowing his actions and intentions to ripple outward in harmony with the ever-flowing river of life. And so, Hiro left the village with a heart unburdened by the opinions of others, carrying with him the wisdom of the echoing pebble. In his heart, he knew that the true essence of a person's worth lay not in the ripples they created in the minds of others, but in the timeless flow of their own being.